Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete a Gmail account on your iPhone. So firstly we need to open Settings application on our iPhone, and then you need to use the searching bar and search for Mail. Then tap Mail Accounts and then tap Add Account. Oh, sorry, not the Add Account. If you want to delete it, you just need to tap on Gmail, and here you see the button Delete Account. So if you want to delete your Gmail account from your iPhone, press this button and confirm your decision by clicking Delete. So that's how you delete a Gmail account from your iPhone. I hope this video will help you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.